US dollar against Canadian dollar has moved to the lower side this week, where the price dropped in the value and has stopped around this demand zone around 1.33. We can see that on the Wednesday price has bounced and reached the lower side, bouncing back up. Then on a Thursday the price tried to reach again higher price levels, but it has turned back down, making this bearish breakout here below these lower levels, and it was expected that the price will try to move to the lower side and confirm this bearish breakout as well one. But on Friday the price has made this bearish breakout as a failed one because the price returned back up. On the weekly time frame this looks like this. The price was trying to reach higher price levels, we can see it here, and it was expected that the price will move to a higher price level in the previous week analysis because of this strong bullish pressure that has formed these weeks. In the previous 2 weeks there is no wicks on the lower side at all, making the lower side even higher and higher. This week the price has bounced back down, trying to make a breakout to the downside, but the price returned back up, which means the bullish pressure, which we can see on the weekly time frame, is that is something that is pushing the price on higher price levels. And on the monthly time frame we can see that is the bounce from this area here. The bearish breakout has happened this month. It was expected that the price will confirm this bearish breakout as well, the one with the next candle, but this didn't happen, and this bearish breakout has been failed. So when the breakout happens and also it has been failed with the next candle, this means that the price will try to move in the opposite direction, and this means this month will try to reach higher price levels, and the first one is here, which is 1.35. And the ultimate price that could price reach in this month is around this one, which is 1.36. So 1.35 and 36 are the next target on the monthly time frame, and 1.3500 is also a small one in front of the price. Let's go to the weekly and check it. 1.349, which is 1.35, is the first one, and we can see on the weekly time frame it is the first resistance that needs to be broken in order to continue to rise in value and reach it around 1.36. We can see it here. This is the area around this one where the price needs to reach. But if the price makes a breakout on the weekly time frame, we will need to see a confirmation of this bullish breakout as a valid one, just like in this case where the price has made a breakout and the next candle bounced back down, reaching this support level and then returning up, which means a confirmation of bullish breakout. On the daily time frame it is much more visible. 1.35 is the next price level, and also 1.36. We can see it here. It is the highest of these candles. So this is the next level where the price will try to reach in order to continue to rise in value. Just a minute, let's see how this looks. 1.36, 1.36. We will leave it as it is. So this is the first target that the price needs to break above, which means around 1.35. And this is the first resistance that needs to be broken. So I'm expecting the price will rise in value next week and will make a breakout like this one. It depends, but based on what I've seen on the monthly, weekly, I'm expecting that the price will try and attack this resistance and making a breakout. If the breakout happens, we need the next candle confirming this breakout as a valid one, which means not going back down, just like in this case, because this candle has made this bullish breakout as a failed one. We need a candle that returns back down, bouncing from this support and continue to rise in value. This is visible in 2 days, so we will see what happens next week. I will watch this market and we'll see will the breakout happen, and will be confirmed. If you would like to check that daily analysis when something happens, I will share that inside the trading community. The link will be below in the description. So if you would like to check it, feel free to check. That's all for today, also for this weekly analysis. If you have any questions, feel free to leave the comment below in the description. And see you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.